Hello everyone, I'm Mahmoud and today I will showcase my project Real-Time Location Tracker. Tracking real-time device location and enabling instant communication is essential today, but existing solutions are often costly and complicated. Imagine flight management, delivery tracking, or team coordination without live updates. Delays become unavoidable. I built a simple and efficient solution for real-time tracking and communication accessible for everyone. Real-time Location Tracker is a web app where users can instantly share their live location, communicate via voice or chat, and see connected devices on a map. When a user opens the app, they first input their name. If no name is entered, the app automatically identifies the device and sets a default name based on device details. Next, the user grants location permission to share their real-time position. Immediately, their live location appears on the interactive map. On the side panel, you can see a list of all connected devices, their names, and online status. It dynamically updates as new device connect or disconnect. On the side panel, bottom side has a microphone button. By clicking on it, users can instantly join a live voice call using WebRTC. There's also a live chat option powered by WebSocket, perfect for quick messages. All connection events like join, leave, messages are logged beautifully for tracking user activities. This project is built with Node.js, Express.js, VJS, WebSocket, and WebRTC for real-time audio communication. The front end uses leaflet for map rendering and the UI is responsive across all device sizes. Thank you for watching my project demo. I would love your feedback to improve it further.